I am impressed with the way that God works. He found the time to put into words how Satan moves. In a boxing ring, if you know your opponent's moves, you can dodge every hit and win the fight. These are the maneuvers of our enemies, the devil's plan. Doubt makes you question your work and God's goodness. Your work means who you are. Diversion makes the wrong things seem more attractive than the right things. Defeat, feeling like a failure so you don't even apply yourselves to the things that bring success. Discouragement makes you look at all your problems rather than what's good or redeemable to make away. Delay, to put off what needs to be done. You're important and it's time to use wisdom to win. Are you ready? God is cheering you on. And I'm Elisha C Marks, proud author of Who's Hungry Reciprocity, inviting you to share this recipe to making a warrior for God's plan.